Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Whole plus sale. Whole sale. PR plus ICE. Price. Wholesale price. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Cymraeg.
Thank you, team. And as you can tell, ladies and gentlemen, I was eager to get out here because I know we have an exciting game coming up right now between these two contestants. On my right, the lady who said yesterday, I will be back. She's like General MacArthur. I shall return. This is Stephanie Wright.
Yes. Hi, Alex.
Ms. Wright.
Good to see you.
Okay. She's ready. I can tell by the handshake.
Yes.
Her opponent, our champion. He has won close to $10,000. Eric Fry. Thank you. He is tough indeed. If anyone can beat him,
I can.
You can.
Sorry, Eric.
Take a look over here. One of the prizes we have for you in Game 1 today.
What better way to warm up the end of winter than for you and a friend to sit back and enjoy the tropical evenings and balmy breezes of beautiful Bermuda?
Oh, yeah, Bermuda.
We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Bermuda. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Mermaid Beach Club on the South Shore overlooking a glorious private beach with on-premises swimming pool, European-style dining, and nightly entertainment furnished by the Mermaid Beach Club. Alex.
Thank you, team. Fabulous vacation. Both of our contestants already have said, I want it. Let's show them where half of it is found at number 21. And Stephanie, you get to pick first again.
The trip is under number 5.
All right, I believe you.
Okay, well, number 13 in the middle for a match.
A mattress set and a microwave is what you've managed to uncover. Not much like a Bermuda vacation. Eric.
No, I'd like a wild card or Bermuda under 12.
12 is diamond earrings.
Ooh, they look good on me, wouldn't they? How about number 4 for the match?
Diamond earrings. You may get a chance to find out how good they do look on you. Open it up, please. Select again, please.
Number 2.
Green take.
Oh, I could use that to protect those earrings under number 24.
Microwave.
Oh.
No match. Stephanie?
Okay, okay. Number, oh dear.
Hurry.
5.
5, yes.
And, Eric, what number did you just choose? Number 24? Oh!
Wait a minute, ladies and gentlemen. Did you follow that? Eric, help me. What number did you pick? Oh, could it have been 24? Miss Coy, she knew all along. You felt it come to you.
Yes.
Well, it came to you in time, and you get a look at these 2 pieces of the puzzle. Help me, help me. Sounds like a scene from The Fly.
Help me, I'm Stephanie
Alex,
Wright.
be quiet.
Sorry.
Okay. You're distracting me.
Oh, all right, yes, and I know
Okay.
it's so important not to distract you at this stage of the game. You're about to solve
I'm
this.
going to find Bermuda. Bermuda.
Yeah.
Number 14.
Sure. Red take.
Number 11.
Who are you going to blame it on this time?
Just bad luck.
What are you going to do when there's no longer Alex Trebek to kick around? Eric.
To kick around me, I bet. How about 8?
8, he says. Print and display calculator.
Okay, number 23.
Wild card.
Hey, can't beat a calculator.
You bet. The print and display calculator is right next door, also at number 22, and so 3 panels are opening up for Eric Fry. Select again.
Number 6.
Mattress set.
Oh.
Ooh, says Stephanie.
17 for the match.
No. Stephanie remembers, and I'm not going to interrupt her. Where is it?
13
yes,
and 6.
13 and 6 is a combination that works.
Good.
Yeah.
Good try.
All right, do it. Open it up. Select again.
How about number 25?
Evening party dresses.
Wouldn't I look nice in those?
But I need this for my earrings.
Yes.
Right. I'll just steal the earrings. Number 15 for the match.
Wild card, so we're going to get a shot at the evening party dresses. Stephanie, the other dresses are at number 7. I hope it's a lucky number 7 for you right now as you study the puzzle with these doors swinging open. Select again.
Okay, number 18. I play
Piano.
the piano. I would love that. I would love it. Number 3, please.
Wild card again.
My
Oh, boy.
golly. My golly.
The other piano at number 9. 3 more doors. Swing them open for Stephanie. Let me say the magic words. I believe we are out of wild cards. And we have some good prizes left on the board. And we have some takes. Stephanie, select.
I would like to find a match, please. Bermuda, number 16.
Bermuda.
21, 21, 21.
Bermuda is at 21. This side of the board is looking very, very good. Very good. Let's see if Stephanie can capitalize by solving the puzzle. Go again.
Oh, dear. Number 10, please.
China dinnerware.
We've seen that. Number 19.
No.
No.
No. No. Eric,
17.
China dinnerware.
That's not a trip to China. How about 10?
That's not a trip to China is correct. It is China dinnerware, but it takes you one step closer to winning this game and getting another shot at a car with a lot of time on the clock, as you know, Eric. Open it up for him. Select.
Number 20.
His and her perfume and cologne.
Number 11 for the match.
His and her perfume and cologne. Swing these panels open. One more match will clear the puzzle completely. Eric?
Number 2.
Green take.
Number 19.
Green take.
Oh, this is a lovely take. Stephanie? Well.
The designer dresses for your...
I'm going to take the... I'm already going to... where am I going?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Hurry.
I'm going to piano.
Piano.
I want the piano.
Give him the piano. I'm asking him to
I
hurry
want
for
the
a particular
piano.
reason, ladies and gentlemen. You'll see it right now. Open these 2 panels. Show them 1 and 14. Now, there's the other one.
Well, golly. How about... Bermuda?
Bermuda it is. A lot of the good prizes are now in Eric's column. Can he solve this puzzle? Let's find out.
Is it you drive a heart bargain? Or hard bargain?
No, you said you drive a heart bargain, and that is incorrect. Stephanie,
You drive a hard bargain.
is it you drive a hard bargain?
Well,
Yes, it is. Heartbreak. You had it, Eric. Now, come on over to the board.
I don't know.
Now, just before you explain
know.
it, just before you explain this, I want to tell the folks at home, remind them about one of our rules. You have to solve the puzzle, not the individual elements of the puzzle. Stephanie, stop tugging on my arm and explain the puzzle.
You drive hay for A, hearts for hard, the bar plus the G plus the hen, bargain? You drive a hard bargain.
You drive a hard bargain, that's it. And it was all Eric's. He just slipped up. He miscued
doggone.
on one word. But you are going to Aruba. You have other prizes. You have $9,370.
yes.
Congratulations to you,
Thank
Eric.
you very
So long.
much.
Take care. All right, Stephanie, prize is coming your way. Gene, what does this young lady win?
a microwave, and evening party dresses. Hollywood Night special occasion dresses that are reminiscent of Hollywood's glamour girls. Sensual sequins, slinky satin, sensational dresses that make you look and feel sensational. Hollywood Nights furnished by Rome Corporation, and a mattress set. Bassett's Dream Maker gives just the right combination of firm support and soothing softness. Covered with golden glow satin fabric for exotic elegance. Dream Maker from Bassett.
Thank you, Gene. Ladies and gentlemen, I've got a little test for you, because while Gene was talking about these prizes, Stephanie was standing here with me and she was saying, he took my piano. He took my trip. Now, I'll make a bargain with you, Stephanie. If you want us to reverse the results of that game
No.
And you say good.
Car.
All right.
Right now.
Now, that's a better attitude, a positive attitude. She's going to win a car after this. Stephanie is the new champion. Eric said she was good, and she was. She was very lucky in that last game, but now she doesn't have to worry about an opponent. All she has to do is deal with these 15 numbered squares and base time on the clock. So your enemy is time. 35 seconds for you, Stephanie. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 2.
No.
3, 4.
No.
5, 6.
No.
7. 3.
No.
2, 7.
Right.
8, 9.
No.
10. 6.
Yes.
11. 4.
No.
12. 13.
No.
9, 13.
Right.
14. Oh, 8.
No.
5, 14.
Right. No.
15. I just saw that. 11.
No.
8.
8:15 was the combination.
That's all right.
You started to get a little nervous, but that's okay. Yes, indeed. $1,299, and you're going on to play again after this commercial break. Stephanie, meet your new opponent. His name is Jim Mason. Welcome aboard, Jim.
Thank you, Alex.
Where are you from?
I'm originally from Indiana, have lived in Florida for about 12 years, and my wife and I have just recently moved out approximately 4 weeks ago.
Now, if you were watching our program earlier this week, you saw Bill Force come out here. He is from Indiana also, and he walked away with about $20,000 in prizes.
That's fantastic.
It could happen to you, too. Take a look over here, and we will show the two of you one of the prizes you're competing for in this game. This is nice.
Part of the Michael C. Fina Company Fine Silver Collection, a pair of sterling silver candelabras. Convertible style with four-way utility and graceful Georgian design. Furnished by the Michael C. Fina Company. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. The candelabras can be found at number 17. 5 bonus car seconds can be found on this board as well. Holiday in Washington, D.C. And $600 in the cash pot. And, Jim, you get to select.
Alex, I would love to go to Washington, D.C. Let's start out with number 13.
Doll collection.
The doll collection. I'd like to match that under number 15, please.
Green tape. No match. Stephanie?
Number 18.
Wild card?
Yes. Good one.
Washington is under number 8.
It is? No. Yes, it is. Yes. Historic Washington is under 8. When I saw the HIS, I figured my eyes did a trick on me, and I thought it was going to be his and her something, but it's Historic Washington and the other Washington holiday in the lower left-hand corner at 21. 3 doors opening for this young lady, Stephanie Wright. Go again.
Let's look under number 12.
Cash pot.
That would be great. Number 24.
5 bonus car seconds. 2 very valuable prizes that we have in this game. Jim.
Alex, 22, please.
Silver candelabras.
Is that under 17?
Yes.
Yes.
A match for the challenger and a look at the puzzle for the challenger. Select.
I need to see what's up in the upper right-hand corner. How about number 10?
5 bonus car seconds.
Was that 23?
No.
No.
24 and 10 for the match.
Stephanie.
Stephanie's applauding herself. She knows she's in good shape now. Let's open these 2 doors for her. Try it again.
Number 20, please.
Bridge table and chairs.
I'd have to learn how to play bridge, maybe. Number 7 for match.
No
Red
red tape.
tape.
No match. Jim?
Let's try number 11, please, Alex.
Green take.
Green take. Number 2.
Satellite
dish. I would love that satellite
Yeah, great
dish.
prize, but no match.
Okay,
Stephanie?
I need to look in that corner under number 1
Luggage.
and 23.
That makes it a match. Yes, indeed. And you get another look at the puzzle, too. Check it out. Select.
Oh, how about the other corner, number 25
Satellite dish.
and number 2?
Satellite dish. She's moving along beautifully right now, Jim.
She's doing very well.
How long will it last is a question you might well ask, but it may end right here if she solves the puzzle. Select.
Number 14.
Diamond and gold
Oh,
pin.
that would be lovely. Number 6 for a match.
Cash pot.
Cash
No
pot.
match. So it did end, and Jim gets a chance once again.
I need number 9, Alex.
Bridge, table, and
Bridge,
chairs.
table, and chairs. I play bridge. Number 14.
No, diamond and gold pin. Stephanie.
The cash pot is under number 6. And number 12.
Correct.
Yes, very good. You're good.
She is indeed. Open it up, please. Try it again, Stephanie.
20. And 9 for the bridge, table, and chairs.
Right.
Very good.
The reason she's moaning is because she can't solve the puzzle, but maybe these two pieces will bring it all together for you. Go again.
It didn't bring it all together for me, Alex.
Well, that's all right. There's still time.
Number 4
Doll collection.
and 13 for the dolls. Oh,
Yes.
good.
Stephanie, very good.
Take a look.
Is it what's for dinner?
What's for dinner, asks Stephanie, and how about a lot of prizes coming your way for dinner? Let's go to the board. Nicely done. Do it.
W plus huts is what's for, that's a den, I think, and an or for dinner. What's for dinner?
All right.
Woo!
Ah, don't you love it when you can't get them excited over prizes? Jim, just one X or one bunny in front of you.
Next
and
time.
that means there will be a next time for you. Yes, indeed. We'll see you in that
Thank
game.
you.
All right, Stephanie, let's hear about your prizes once again. Gene, go for it.
A cash pot worth $600, a bridge table and chairs, and a doll collection. Bradley's limited edition collection of lovely Victorian ladies styled with porcelain hands, head, and feet adds a decorative touch to any room furnished by Bradley Collectible Dolls. And a satellite dish. Enjoy a front row seat for hundreds of satellite TV channels. See movies, sports, news, and your favorite game shows with this easy-to-use General Instrument satellite system. And luggage. Pegasus Luggage presents the Countryside Collection, crafted in the USA from fine woven tapestries featuring an elegant floral pattern furnished by Pegasus Luggage. And historic Washington, D.C. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Washington, D.C. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 7 exciting days in Washington, D.C., close to downtown, historical and cultural sites, swimming, jogging, sauna, 4 restaurants, all available at the beautiful Sheraton Washington Hotel. And the 5 bonus car seconds. Prizes worth, Stephanie, $7,530.
Big win for you, Stephanie. Over $7,500. And when we come back, a lot of time to win a brand new car. A lot of people in the studio are yelling out to Stephanie, win a car. Let's see if she can. 15 numbered squares, 40 seconds on the clock, but you picked up 5 bonus seconds, so you're dealing with 3/4 of a minute. Good luck, Stephanie. Go to work.
1, 2,
No.
3, 4,
Nope.
5, 6,
No.
7, 3,
Yep.
8, 9,
No.
1, 10,
No.
5, 11,
No.
12, 13,
No.
9, 14,
No.
1, 14,
Yes.
15, 8,
No.
5, 15.
Right.
2. 10.
Yep.
4. 12.
Nope.
9. 4.
Right.
6. 8.
Well, you missed that Sundance match earlier, and that's what cost you. But that's okay. You've got $8,829, and you're going to play again.
Thank you.
Break time for us, Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive Vitamix stainless steel 3-minute bread maker and home yogurt factory that juices without waste, cooks without burning, freezes instant ice cream, and offers 800 other recipes. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Have a good weekend. So long.
This is Gene Woods speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.